following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 3:30 p.m. PDT. At 12:27 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the New York Mountains area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly and will impact low-water crossings on Evampa Road as well as other roadways across east central San Bernardino County. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mid Hills Campground, Evampa Road, Montana Road. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar.